Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Robin Nugraha from 4A. Today, I would like to make a video me being as interpreter for my foreshadowing a video about the news. So let's move to the video.
Tariffs and counter tariffs with no end in sight.
Tariffs and counter tariffs with no end in sight. Tarif dan balasan tarif yang tampaknya tidak berkesudahan.
No, I'm not going to bend at all.
As of right now, the U.S. places a tariff on metals imported from the European Union.
As of right now, the U.S. places a tariffs on the metals imported from the European Unions. Saat ini, Amerika Serikat memberlakukan tarif terhadap logam yang diimpor dari Uni Eropa.
The European Union puts a 50% tariff on U.S. whiskey.
The European Union puts a 50% tariff on whiskey.
U.S. President
Uni Eropa mengenakan tarif sebesar 50% terhadap whiskey dari Amerika.
Donald Trump threatens a 200% tariff on European wine.
U.S. President Donald Trump threatens a 200% tariff on European wine. Presiden Amerika Donald Trump mengancam akan mengenakan tarif sebesar 200% terhadap anggur,
Champagne and spirits.
champagne and spirits, sampanye dan minuman beralkohol asal Eropa.
We've been ripped off for years, and we're not going to be ripped off anymore.
We've been ripped off for years and we are not going ripped up anymore. Kita telah dirugikan selama bertahun-tahun dan sekarang kita tidak akan dirugikannya lagi, tegasnya.
The U.S. imposes 25% tariffs on Canadian metals.
The US imposes 25% tariffs on Canadian metals. Amerika Serikat juga menetapkan tarif sebesar 25% terhadap logam yang asalnya dari Kanada.
And an April tariff on lumber, dairy products,
And in April tariff on lumber, dairy product, and cars. Dan pada bulan April diberlakukan pula tarif terhadap kayu, produk susu, dan mobil.
Canada levies then withdraws tariffs on electricity exports.
Canada levies then withdraw tariffs on the electricity export. Kanada kemudian mengenakan tarif terhadap ekspor listrik.
But keeps tariffs on $21 billion worth.
But keeps tariffs on $21 billion. Meski begitu, Kanada tetap mempertahankan tarif terhadap barang asal Amerika dengan total nilai 21 miliar dolar.
Of American goods.
Worth of American goods.
We don't need their cars. We don't need their energy. We don't need their lumber.
We don't need their cars. We don't need their energy. We don't need lumber. Kita tidak butuh mobil mereka. Kita tidak butuh energi mereka. Kita tidak butuh kayu mereka. Ungkap pihak Amerika.
The U.S. puts a tariff on Mexican foods, but exempts certain
The US puts a tariff on the Mexican foods but exempts. Selanjutnya, Amerika memberlakukan tarif terhadap makanan dari Meksiko.
items included under the North American Free Trade Pact, signed
But exempt certain items included under the North American Free Trade.
in President Trump's
Namun sejumlah item perjanjian NAFTA, perjanjian perdagangan bebas Amerika Utara,
first term.
pact signed in the President Trump first term, yang ditandatangani pada masa jabatan pertama Presiden Trump.
A tariff on cars from Mexico is also rescinded.
A tariff on car from Mexico is also rescinded.
Mexico says
Tarif untuk mobil dari Meksiko juga dibatalkan.
it will respond on Sunday.
Mexico say it will be respond on Sunday.
And for China,
Pemerintah Meksiko menyatakan akan memberikan tanggapan resmi pada hari Minggu.
20% tariffs overall.
And for China, 20% tariff overall. Sementara itu terhadap Tiongkok, Amerika Serikat menetapkan tarif secara menyeluruh.
Now there'll be a little disruption.
Now there will be a little disruption,
But it won't be very long.
but it won't be very long. Akan ada sedikit gangguan, kata pihak Amerika, tetapi itu tidak akan berlangsung lama.
The unpredictability drives U.S. stocks wild. Analysts say if it
The unpredictability drives U.S. stock, and the analysts say
continues, all governments lose.
ketidakpastian ini membuat pasar saham Amerika bergejolak dan para analisa mengatakan if it continues, all government lose. Jika kondisi ini tetap berlanjut, semua pemerintahan akan mengalami kerugian.
They think that if they protect their economy, they're
They think that if they protect their economy, mereka menyampaikan bahwa banyak negara berpikir bahwa dengan melindungi perekonomian mereka,
going to increase the productivity and the competitiveness of
they're going to increase the productivity and their competitiveness. Produktivitas dan daya saing industri domestik akan meningkat.
actually what they're doing is putting them at a disadvantage.
And actually, what they're doing is putting them at disadvantage. Namun, pada kenyataannya, langkah tersebut justru menempatkan mereka pada posisi yang tidak menguntungkan.
In terms of price and access to a global market.
In terms of price and access to a global market. Baik dari segi harga maupun akses kepada pasar global.
The U.S. argues economic pain now will yield great results later.
The US argues economic pain now will be yield great result later. Pemerintah Amerika Serikat berargumen bahwa penderitaan ekonomi saat ini akan menghasilkan manfaat besar di masa depan.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent.
The terrorists, we've got strategic industry.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, the terrorists, we've been got strategy industry.
We want to protect the American work.
We got the strategy industry. We got to have. We want to protect the American worker. Menteri Keuangan Scott Bessent mengatakan, kita memiliki industri strategi yang harus kita jaga. Kita ingin melindungi pekerja Amerika.
That a lot of these trade deals haven't been fair.
That a lot of these trade deals haven't been fair. Banyak perjanjian dagang selama ini tidak adil.
The administration is sending a signal that it's not business as usual here.
The administration is sending a signal that is not business as usual. Pemerintah mengirimkan sinyal bahwa ini bukan lagi urusan bisnis seperti biasanya.
It's now more exports and less imports.
It's no more export and less imports. Sekarang fokusnya adalah meningkatkan ekspor dan mengurangi impor.
The next round of tariffs goes into effect April 2nd.
Found on tariffs goes into effect April 2nd. Gelombang tarif ini mulai berlaku pada tanggal 2 April.
Carolyn Pursuti, VOA News, The White House.
Caroline Pursuit, PA News, The White House. Caroline Pursuit, PA News, Gedung Putih. Next, we are moved to the second one.
Sementara itu, banjir yang melanda sebagian
Meanwhile, the flood that has struck several areas,
wilayah di Kabupaten Kutai Timur Tengah,
sebagian wilayah di Kabupaten Kutai Timur Tengah, several areas in Kutai Timur Tengah Regency,
ramai di media sosial.
Has gone viral on social media.
Adanya beberapa penampakan buaya dan bahkan
Due to several crocodile sightings,
masuk di tengah permukiman warga korban
dan bahkan masuk di pemukiman warga,
banjir.
even appearing in the middle of residential areas. Warga korban banjir. Residential areas affected by the flood.
Inilah salah satu rekaman CCTV di
This is one of the CCTV recording
salah satu kawasan banjir di Gang Kapital Sangka,
di salah satu kawasan banjir di Gang Kapital,
Utara
from a flooded area in Gang Kapital,
Kabupaten Kutai
Kabupaten Kutai,
Timur, dan
in Kutai Regency,
menjadi perbincangan di media sosial Yang-
which has become a topic of discussion on social media,
yang dapat membahayakan jiwa warga korban banjir.
yang dapat menimbulkan bahaya untuk jiwa korban banjir due to its potential threat to the safety of flood victims.
Dalam rekaman CCTV tersebut,
In the CCTV footage,
seekor buaya cukup besar muncul dari
a rather large crocodile, it seems, emerging
bawah rumah panggung warga
dari bawah rumah panggung warga,
korban banjir,
from beneath a residential house,
mengejar ternak warga dan berhasil membawa
the crocodile chased after livestock,
ternak warga tersebut kembali ke bawah rumah panggung.
dan berhasil membawa ternak warga itu kembali ke bawah rumah panggung, and managed to drag the animal back to underneath the house. I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.